baby this.
Joe, what did she eat? An ice cream? Is that good, Joe? Cute. Well, I'm glad you're both enjoying that ice cream. Sister share, right?
Beautiful, Money.
Oh, she wants yours now.
You got Catherine's. Ah, I'm not fair. I need to get back in.
Give me a sec. I'm trying to make a YouTube video.
I don't think it's gonna be good.
No, well, it's not that funny. I think it's cute, though. She wants her whole mouth on that.
No!
Let her have a lick. Be nice. Come on. Let her have a lick.
She's sticking it in.